Can I actually pull off 14 Royal Caribbean hacks in just one cruise? If you're about to embark on your first Royal Caribbean cruise, you're probably bursting with excitement and maybe a bit of anxiety. I've been there too. A Royal Caribbean cruise is an incredible adventure, but without some insider knowledge, you might end up missing out on some key experiences, or worse, overspend on things you could have gotten for free or at a lower cost. Cruising can be overwhelming for beginners. There's so much to see, do, and explore on the ship and at the ports of call. You might find yourself wondering what activities to prioritize or how to make the most of your time on board. The good news is that with a little planning and some expert tips, you can maximize your experience and create lifelong memories. Without insider knowledge, it's easy to stumble into costly mistakes or overlook hidden gems. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into my top 14 Royal Caribbean hacks to help you make the most of your cruise. First, when booking, consider working with a travel agent who specializes in cruises. They can often snag you the best deals or perks like upgrades or onboard credits. Another booking tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. Sailing during the off-season can lead to significant savings. On board, one of my favorite hacks is to take advantage of the ship's app. It allows you to check wait times for restaurants, book activities, and even communicate with fellow passengers. And when it comes to dining, skip the main restaurant and try some of the specialty eateries. They're often where the real culinary magic happens. Some other hacks include packing wisely, like bringing a power strip for extra charging ports in your cabin, and downloading the Royal Caribbean app for helpful cruise info. Also, consider budgeting extra for excursions and onboard activities. While some are free, others can add up quickly. Don't miss out on the onboard entertainment. From Broadway shows to live music, there's always something happening. Lastly, take some time to explore the ship. You never know what hidden spots you might discover. A couple of my top hacks that often get overlooked are using the onboard laundry facilities. It's a game changer for packing light. Another is to attend the mandatory safety drill. Not only is it a requirement, but it's also a great way to learn about the ship's safety features. Visualizing your cruise experience can also be super helpful. I like to browse through Royal Caribbean's website and social media for inspiration. And did you know that some Royal Caribbean ships have virtual reality experiences? It's a blast. To recap, planning ahead and using these hacks will lead to a fantastic Royal Caribbean cruise. So what are you waiting for? Share your own Royal Caribbean tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more cruise content and check out another related video on my channel for even more cruise hacks.